Seasonal Storms by Public Consulting Group. Weather can change quickly. Temperature can change from day to day. The amount of precipitation or water from the sky also changes from day to day. Some days might bring cooler temperatures, heavy rain, and hailstones. Other days might bring hot temperatures with no rainfall. Changes in temperature and precipitation occur day to day, but the biggest change in weather happens over seasons. Winter storms. Winter storms often bring harsh weather. The temperature is often cold. Cold temperatures can cause water in the air to form snowflakes. Together, snow and wind can cause a blizzard. How snowflakes form. Warm air, moist air rises. Clouds form. In cold temperatures, water droplets supercool into ice crystals. Ice crystals collide, grow together, and form snowflakes. When the snowflakes are large enough, they fall to earth. Blizzards are winter storms that involve blowing snow and strong, howling winds. It can be very hard to see during one. Blizzards occur in places that are very cold, like the northern parts of the United States. Spring and summer storms. Warm weather can cause other types of severe weather. Thunderstorms can happen any time of the year. However, they normally reoccur in the spring. Thunderstorms are formed by hot, moist air rising into cooler air. Thunderstorms usually have thunder and lightning. Lightning occurs when the clouds get negative and positive charges. The negative charges are at the bottom of the cloud. The positive charges are at the top. They collide or bump together. This reaction causes lightning. When lightning passes through the air, it may heat the air so quickly that it causes a loud, booming sound called thunder. Thunderstorms can last a few minutes or can go on for hours. They may cause a lot of rain. This can cause flooding. Sometimes thunderstorms produce hailstones. How lightning forms. Positive charges collect near the top of the thundercloud. Cold air. Then you have hot air rises. The negative charges are in the middle. And then you have positive charges towards the ground. How tornadoes form. Sometimes thunderstorms cause tornadoes. Tornadoes are powerful rotating tubes of air that occur when warm air and cold air meet. The different temperature air starts to spin around and form a funnel. Tornadoes stretch from the sky to the ground. Tornadoes can happen anywhere severe thunderstorms occur. Certain states like Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas, Iowa, and Nebraska experience more tornadoes than others. These states and others are known as Tornado Alley. The enhanced Fujicha tornado scale. F0, very weak. F1, F2, F3, F4, and F5, very strong. Tornadoes are measured by the speed of their winds and the damage they can cause. They are categorized from 0 to 5, and F0 is a weak tornado, and F5 is the strongest, most powerful tornado. It is very damaging. Since tornadoes can be unpredictable and often happen suddenly, people may not know about them ahead of time. If a tornado is likely, it is important to take the precautions of finding a safe place to stay. Strong winds can cause objects to fly through the air outside. Summer and fall storms. In most places in the U.S., there are fewer storms in the fall. However, in Florida, that's when some of the strongest storms happen. Each year from June 1st to November 30th is the hurricane season. Hurricanes are strong storms. They start in the ocean. Hurricanes occur when water Ocean water becomes warm and starts to evaporate or dries and goes into the air. Earth's rotation starts to rearrange and spin the air, causing clouds and thunderstorms. How hurricanes form. Hurricane winds are at least 74 miles per hour. That's faster than the speed limit on most highways. Hurricanes are measured by the strength of their winds and the damage they can cause. The Saffir-Simpson Hurricane Wind Scale, Category 1 to Category 5. Hurricane winds can cause a lot of damage. They can destroy coastal areas. Thankfully, scientists can usually predict hurricanes. We can preview where and when they will make landfall. We can't prevent hurricanes, but we can take steps to prepare. After the storm passes, people can work together to clean up and rebuild.